Hi everyone, welcome back. So the topic of this video is a bit interesting this time. We are going to be talking about what is generative AI. Okay, so let's start off with what it is. Let's get that out of the way. First of all, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new and original content based on just a single prompt that you can give it, right? So you don't have to explicitly code something. It can learn by itself using machine learning, and it can generate content for you based on your preference or your command. That is what generative AI is. It can be used for all sorts of stuff, like you can create papers, essays, music. You can do so much with generative AI. There is actually no limits at this point. So it has a wide range of applications, right? For example, we have the most talked about AI recently, which is ChatGPT. So you can use ChatGPT for multiple use cases, right? You have already used it for multiple things, and that is an example of how fast an AI can grow and how much reach a generative AI can have. It is a complex model, right? It is a complex model that is trained on massive amounts of data, and that data is then used. For example, to understand what is a generative AI, let's take a model. Okay, so we are training that model, giving multiple images of a cat. Okay, and then when you, after training the model on a large amount of data, in our case images of cats, when you ask that model to generate an image of a cat, that will generate a new image which resembles a cat. So it is not real, but it looks real. So that is what a generative AI can do. You have many examples, as I stated ChatGPT, but that is not the only one. You have DAL E2. Okay, so that is an AI released by OpenAI. OpenAI is the same company which developed ChatGPT. This company released DAL E2, and this AI can generate images, right? It can generate multiple pictorial images based on just text. So you give it a text input, you describe what you want in that image, and it will generate that image based on it. How amazing is that? So that is another example of generative AI and its application. So after knowing what it is, why do you even need it, right? Because of all these applications, generative AI is not bound to particular applications. You can build on it. It keeps growing and learning, right? So the more you train it, the more accurate it becomes. It is a valuable tool for multiple advancements, and it is used for so many use cases, and it can in the future be used to develop the society in multiple ways. So that is what you need to know as an introduction to generative AI. So let's dive deep into it later in the next video. Thank you.